if you are having skill 8600 blower, you might have used it for cleaning using blow air. However, sometimes if you need vacuum blower, you can easily convert it into vacuum blower by shifting its discharge hose to the suction. Just place the discharge hose near the suction and wrap it with packing tape. If any leakage is there, it will get automatically sealed when you run the blower. Just you can see how it sucks. So I am just placing the paper. Just see, observe. Again. In this way, you can use this blower as vacuum cleaner.